everybody, it's Twin Mints here. Today we'll be cooking shrimp Alfredo pasta. First, cook your pasta to the back of the box instructions. Next, drain your pasta and rinse it with some cold water. After that, we are going to start preparing the shrimp. First, add 1 teaspoon of salt into your shrimp and then add 1 teaspoon of pepper into your shrimp. After that, get some paprika and add 2 teaspoons of paprika into your shrimp mixture. After adding the paprika, you should add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder into the shrimp, then mix everything up. After that, heat a hot pan and cover it with oil. Then add your shrimp to the pan and put them all on. Next, start flipping your shrimp when they turn pink. They should be a kind of golden brown color on one side. After flipping all your shrimp, next you can transfer all your shrimp to a separate bowl or plate. Now we are going to start making the Alfredo sauce. You first have to add 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. If you don't have any heavy cream, you can just add milk and half and half. Then you're going to add 2 tablespoons of salted butter. If you don't have salted butter, just add salt. Then you can add 2 tablespoons of whole flour. After that, if your mixture gets a little too thick, you can add a few tablespoons of milk. Then we are going to add 1 cup of mozzarella cheese into the mix and a teaspoon of garlic. After that, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of pepper. After that, we're going to add a teaspoon of salt and mix it all together. After that, put your pasta into a heated pot and add all your Alfredo sauce on top. After you've added all it on top, then put your shrimp on top and mix everything together. After you've finished mixing everything, serve it in a separate plate or bowl, and this is enough to serve a family of 5 or 4. After that, you can add a garnish, and I hope you enjoy all the food. Bye! Thank you for watching Twin Mints.